Now, if you're the sort of person who avoids sunscreen because you think it's going to be heavy and sticky and horrible on your face, this could be the product that changes your mind. And this is the oil-free gel from Heliocare's 360 range. It's a high protection sunscreen, it's broad spectrum, it will protect against UV light and infrared light and blue light. It's got an added antioxidant called Fern Block, which helps defend the skin against environmental aggression. And it is a super lightweight gel, so it kind of melts onto the skin. You need to measure out a finger's length of this. That's what the brand recommends. That will do your face and neck. And then you apply it, you smooth it around, and you will see it dries down to this invisible dry touch finish. You just can't tell it's there at all. But it is there, doing a really good job. You know how I feel about sunscreen. You just have to find one you like the texture of, and then you can stick to wearing it. So if you don't like a heavy sunscreen and want a super light one, this could be the one for you.